What's wrong with you?
Why are you videoing me?
I'm trying to.
I'm crying.
I know.
No pain, no game.
Game.
Yeah, you know, whenever you play games, you have to have some pain. You know, like softball games, basketball games. Sometimes your fingers hurt and you get carpal tunnel from playing video games.
It's no pain, no gain.
Well, that too. Could it be no pain, no game, or game? It's an old movie. Can we turn on something else? See, 1944. I told you it's old.
Mm-mm.
I wasn't even born yet.
Neither was I.
Oh yeah, you weren't. Neither were my parents, so this is real old. Was your mom born?
Nope.
What year was she born?
52.
I bet my grandparents were born. Your mom's not much younger than my grandparents would be if they're still alive.
General Wiggler. General Wiggler.
There's no Christmas in the army. That's not very fair.
Where'd you pull that out of?
Underneath the covers?
Where was it?